Let's look at resonance. So that resonance has been steadily pushing its way through the higher vibratory bodies into the physical. The Ascended Master of this age, Saint Germain, and many of the masters have spoken to you, the masters from the stars, the masters from this planet, the Ascended Masters from other planets, guides, guardians, goddess, gods. These energies have brought you messages. They have brought you messages of the about the vibratory shift, and you have been shifting. You have been working on it. As the energy began to massively shift in the last 2 to 3 years, the vibratory bodies and the vibratory subtle bodies around the earth itself became porous, as we have already acknowledged to you. Porous meaning that you have been infused with energies. Your earth has been infused with energies that is causing a difference in the resonance around the mass consciousness of the planet. The mass consciousness of the planet is ready to move into unity consciousness. Many of you have moved into unity consciousness in your higher vibratory bodies and now are experiencing that unity consciousness merging, integrating, infecting the physical. This is creating an imbalance in the physical world and the physical beings. Simply because your resonance is shifted. Now then, in your soul family, individually and collectively, the inner infant vibrational patterns have been surfacing. You may have found yourself being more childish or childlike in your responses or feelings lately. You may have found yourself feeling lost, irritated, tired, logy, imbalance in your energy. One day higher energy, the next day lower energy. Your physical body is trying to find ways to adjust. It's trying to find ways to change the messages in the physical cell structure. The nervous system sends messages from the brain to the heart, to the organs, through the body, and those messages are confusing and staticky at this point because the third dimension, where your physical form is, shifts a little slower. Even though the vibration of the third dimension is higher, it still shifts slower than the fifth dimension, sixth dimension, seventh, and in some cases, eighth and ninth dimension that you have been working with in your dream time, through your initiations, through your spiritual practices, through your heart's desire. Some of you are more aware and conscious of energies and how they work than others. Some of you are more aware of vibrations and keep your vibrations more in order. Some of you are feeling extremely pulled by the heavier vibration in the third dimension as it rattles back and forth, trying to integrate this higher vibratory consciousness.